work for. That is why you will see many pastors in Pentecostal charging their members money because they are not called. If you are called, you will know that anytime you ask somebody to give you to pay money before you pray for him, the anointing will depart from you because you can't sell the anointing. No authentic man of God with anointing, walking with the anointing of the Holy Ghost, we charge you money for consultation fee, or we tell you that you must be in partnership. If you're not partnering with us, you will die or you will not prosper. That person is not called by God.